Yeah. What you got there?
Oh. Just dump the whole bottle of water.
Yeah, what you got there?
Why 250,000?
Let's turn it around this way. What you got? It's a spoon. Ooh, spoon.
What did everybody say? Warren Buffett was the one who pays less taxes.
Careful.
Why is he concerned about it there, but not in his policies?
That's right.
When it's his policies, we need to raise this one. We need to make this.
Got me on that one. You got me on that one. Yeah.
I say he's two-faced. That's what I say.
Careful.
He's two-faced. Whoa, you got all sorts of stuff in there tonight. Where'd all these toys come from? These aren't toys. These are work instruments. These are work instruments. Yeah, you would have mixed up a cake with that little missy.
Yeah.
Whoa, it's a flinger.
It went
It's a flinger.
behind her.
Good job. Way to go. That's very good.
Yeah.
Whoa, that was a little backhand swipe right there.
No. It's like racquetball.
Ooh. Ooh. That was a good one. All right.
Yeah.
She makes the waves in here, like the wave, swimming pool.
Yeah.
She does that. Yes. Pretty smart girl.
No,
Really?
she might be able to reach that. So,
Oh,
all right. That was.